deixa eu penetrar, deixa eu penetrar no
Yo, we're here on my parents' house. So, kind of thing. We had a cable and we had some weights. We got a gym over here.
Listen, this weight is just fucking 20 kilos.
This is GLP,
JLPT.
GLPT.
Flying is lost.
Yeah. It's called GLPT. I will tag him in my description. Check him. So, we're gonna warm up first. Our lats. First, it's our back day. We're gonna focus on our lats, you know.
Make sure you subscribe to this guy's channel. I haven't done any content for like past month, so
So we're gonna first
Make my
do
first-
some fucking pullover. Hey, I'm gonna add some weight. So,
dude, I'm just gonna do my intro.
Ricky. Gonna do some super set of lat pull downs. Lat pullovers, and we're gonna do some. We're gonna kneel and alternating or single arm lat pull down. Vertical, yeah, close grip pull down. Yeah. Let's wait for Tabuan. He's warming up. Gotta get some time.
Yep, I'm done. No water for you, bitch.
Bro.
Actually got the two gases here. Never even believe. Link in the description. Fucking nigga.
Right. I think something is pretty good, bro.
This is my good friend, Nolan
Marcus.
Marcus.
Marcus lang. Only Marcus.
Pre, mental day natin.
I got you, bro.
You got to be drinking water. Ah.
Few more of these. Yeah. So, what's your training program? How do you train? How do you train?
I train like a train station.
Oh, tell me, how do you train? What style do you train?
Calisthenics and with equipment.
How do you train? Like failure, reps, something like reps, partial reps, like
Super sets. Yeah, with reps.
try.
Something up and down. Bill? After this Pre, meron tayong salamin na sa baba. Pwede tayo.
Buhati mo na punta dito.
You need help?
Na. I will boost the pressure. No. Bro. Martial arts is very important. Bro, good stretch like this. Oh, fuck. This can stretch back, bro. Yeah.
Bro, don't grip like that, bro. Don't grip like that. Still burning your forearms, boy. Need to get the 2G sync now. My turn.
One more. Let's watch the Bada.
Now it's my turn, guys.
Bro, don't fight the machine. If you fight the machine, it will fight you back. Not give the will. Fucking ambulance. Don't straight your back like this, bro. Chest out? Yeah, chest out. For more lungs. Squeeze your lats. Like machine. Come on. Boom. If you stop right now, without never gonna gain. Stop. More. Far more. Stop. Far more. Four more. Far. Come on. Come on. Don't pull it. Swing it. Like this. Nice. Neat. Nice. Gonna prepare the next equipment. Oh shit.
My right side is usually weak.
Don't grip it like that.
Tinuruan kita kanina. Tinuruan mo sa akin ko.
Oh.
Bro, pang an entire javelin.
With David Dave and some Sulit.
Oh, David.
That's what I put my camera in the first set, bro. You copy me?
You copy me? Why you Asian right now?
Fuck. Normal day in the Philippines. Burning some trees.
Yeah.
Burning some wood.
Finding Aaron Yeager. Finding Yeager.
Sure.
Teka lang pa rin magta-time lapse ako.
Okay, bro. Pwede mo na i-edit CapCut yan para yung time lapse.
Naiwagaw sa
E3.
I actually have some extra weights here.
Here we go. You said you can put it right. Because
This is the extra weight that you can't put on the machine.
this is enough. So, next workout, we're gonna have some freaking not cool down. So, after you, we're gonna have some of this. Straight your back, chest out. Phil! No! 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 Ma! No! Ma! Ginagawa niyo yun na, ma! No! No! Phil! No! Phil! Ah! Bro, don't stop it right now. Stop too far, bro.
If I stop right now, it will stop.
If you stop right now, your game will stop.
Where's your game? It's in my butt. Oh shit!
Why, bro?
Hindi na ako makita.
Sorry, bro. I got you.
Time lapse yun, tama? Next side.
On the gym, I'm a hype up person, hype gym, hype workouts, and hype posing. In here, we got a peaceful gym, peaceful vibe, peaceful workout, peaceful posing later.
Here we can scream like this.
Come on, bro, don't joke around.
Your turn, dude.
Pull down.
Yeah.
Fix that. Bro, it's too dark. Bro, I need some weight. Extra weight, bro.
Need extra weight?
Yes, it's too light. Bro, I don't need you. Bro, I don't need you, bro. I need some extra weight.
Need some extra weight?
Yeah, get some bottle, right? With some water, bro. Put some bottle with some water. What the fuck, man? Put some bottle with water. You know what? Fuck you.
You are going to miss this mother. Ngayon, pag may nabasag ka, bayaran mo.
Ito ba yan? Bote na.
Hindi, may deposit yan.
Deposit, bro.
Uy, gagi, dalawa yung camera. Dali mag-posing. Eee!
Huwag mo ang picture.
Tangina si Eren.
Peaceful life. Me after taking steroids.
Now you will take head. Either you get heads or you get tails.
Either
You get back pump. Imagine the pump, dude. Imagine the pump.
response.
The bulk.
Yeah, push some response. Response, bro. Response.
Yo, uy. This guy used to teach me martial arts. Now he's teaching no one.
Ah.
Nobody,
One more, bro, one more.
nobody.
One more.
Let's go.
Oh. Last set for Dallas. Having a friend like GLPT.
You almost exposed me, bro. Don't say my name.
The fuck, man? What are you?
Mark me as such you should be named while I don't have one. It's called JLPT, I'm trying with that.
What are you? What the fuck are you?
Hindi, na-expose mo na ako ni Ine.
Hello.
Nakalimutan ko pa mag-download ng CapCut. Ano ba mas magandang pag-edit? CapCut o Canva?
Kambay, di man hindi na-edit yung picture lang.
So, download ako dito.
Wag. Ako masasuggest sa'yo ng pong. Heat. Double I.
Hit. Hit. Nang hit ka lang. Hit lang. HITT.
SIIT. Ay, HIIT.
HIIT. Nasama namin forma ko.
Last one for the last.
Ng 1 minute and 19 seconds.
Gonna have some rope pullovers. This much good, bro. I'm gonna squeeze like that. Oh, say no, bro. I know you can see me. Put this right there. Fuck. Let's post that, bro. Yeah, have some tiny bits on YouTube. Eh.
Ginagawa mo, pre.
Gagi pump check. Uy! Ang dilim.
Uy, gagi, niga.
Pump check. Oh, pre. Tosin na. Ay, lang.
Kala ko ba ba't galit sa akin?
Kumakain ng candy.
Nagsasyabuto kanina eh.
Oh!
Fuck you, naglalag ka, tamo.
Ah.
Wait, naglo ko.
I'm making money! Bro,
Magkano na?
bro is pump, bro. Na-na-na-na-na-na.
Pakin na nito ko, kala ko na.
Bro, good ba?
Oy, Ezra, tignan mo naman yung jowa mo. Siyempre, capture ko itong...
Capture.
Wait, di ko pa makapture eh. Tang inang yun eh. Yung nakatawag ko si Ezra eh.
Anong capture ba?
Di ko mapicturean.
Let's bolt in!
Gagi! Ay! Yung get mo nakuha ko! Get ni Mark!
Let's do some shoulders. You son of a bitch.
Wala si Aliyah, tangin na ng pangit.
Ano sabi niya?
Pangit si Aliyah para kay Mark.
Wala ka kasi niya daw yun.
Bakit? Tanga-tanga yun eh.
Palang tanga-tanga.
Tanga-tanga yun eh.
Ano sabi?
Di man lang alam kung ano yung weights. Eh di niya alam siya yun. Mabigat.
So,
Nag-cover ko yung pinabox na.
O bakit? Binabackstab ko ba? Wala naman hawak kutsilyo ah.
Ayun na.
Grabe to makasisi oh. Sisihin kita dyan.
yung kapos.
Kanina, pumasok ba kayo?
Ay oo, pumasok kami kanina sa classroom.
Pumasok ako sa ano eh.
Nakaano nga ako eh. Tapon ako sa poster making eh.
Pumasok ako sa kuweba.
Sayang wala ka. Tatalunin mo sana ako paggawa ng poster. Wala eh, tapon ako eh.
Tapon.
Oo, tapon ako.
Pa!
Hindi, top 1 talaga ako. Top 1. Andun nga yung ano eh. Why did you drop the weight?
Hoy! Pusa. Mag-side dog tayo.
Hi, Phil!
Pero huwag ka umarang dyan. Papatok sa itong hammer nito.
Putang ina, may hammer nito pang workout oh. Mamaya magsasabon yan ng bato.
Phil!
Speed daw.
No.
Oh, musingutin yung maras sa ng bato ah.
Mag-busy ka.
Yeah, easy.
Eh, busy ako mamatay. Gago. Mark, tangina sinisingot mo lahat ng bato ah. Si bato, binabato ng bato kasi sinisingot niya yung bato.
Don't make me laugh. I'm
Akala mo kasi yun pala drugs.
fucking rich.
Pero hindi tayo nagaganon. Ano tayo? Ano lang tayo na siyente, nag-i-stiko. Bakit? Stiko lang naman ah.
Gumagalo!
Hindi naman ako magulo ah. Nag-uusap lang kami ni Ezra.
Ah, fuck.
Bye Ezra.
Fuck. Makabaksan ko rin.
Gagi ka! Ah! 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 Anong ride dyan? Lighting? Ano 89 degrees? Yes, pinipili. Kung kumain.
Bangkay!
Ang ano, tatay ako. Gusto ko na labas lahat ng galit ko sa CR. Promise, ako na umahangin po. Ang lang yan kasi. Artist tatay ako, ba't ko pati natawagan si Ezra?
Okay na, hindi mo din sa cellphone mo. Tayo ka doon. Okay.
Ended call. Huwag na pala, mamaya na. Bumalik yung tayo ko. Tupot lang pala. Tanga na ayaw
Yeah!
Ang ina, nasa China nga. Ay, hindi, malapit sa South Korea.
Sino?
Ha? Yung kaklase ko? Di pa siya, hinahanap, mamaya pa yan. Oo, malapit na yan, ano. Magano. Alam mo na. Ganun din. Problema ko yun. Santa Ines, andito yung putang inangan na yun.
Monitor. That's it. Gonna do some super set for our Reddit.
Kasi South China. Tang ina nung wala ko sa Philippines yun. South China sila lang to ah.
Wow.
Yun. Nagpakita ka rin.
Super set for those. Let's check the pump. See the pump. Let's get into